Hi, my name is Brenda,
And my name is Jin.
and this is our ITM 352 site for assignment 4. This website here is created with the idea of students taking finals into consideration and is a e-commerce site geared off of creating the best type of workspace for us students to be able to concentrate in.
As you can see, we have two kinds of navbar here in our website. One is on the bottom. This one is basically for people to explore our site. It has create, gallery, and about us here. And as for the top navbar, it's more for like a user functionality used.
And our base theme for this site can be credited to this website right here by Mary Lou, but the rest of the site was coded by me and my partner Jinpin. So the first step that you may want to do as a user is that you will want to register as a new user, name, username, password. And then you will want to go create your area, which is the same place you can go via create here. And as a student, you can pick what you'd like to write on, such as a notebook or a planner or some notepads. And then you can pick your writing utensil next, where we have pencil, highlighters, and pens. And then our third option are the accessories you can pick, such as eraser, whiteout, or post-it notes. So as a user, you would click continue to checkout. But since I already have a username, and for the sake of time, I will log in here. And you can tell that you've logged in because our site shows your personalized data up here for you to see. As you check out, you see that these items that you picked each have an individual price, and it comes out to your total price over here.
Now let's go back to our index page to take a look at our gallery and the About Us page. If you click on the gallery, it basically shows you the previous Inspire workplace created by other people. So if you go back to our index page and you click on About Us, and it basically tells you about Brenda and I. If you click on Brenda's one, it was says currently lost in finals, which makes her lazy eggs. And then if you click back and you click on mine, it will tell you, with summer coming up, it's time to eat ice cream. And now let's go back to our index page. Let's go to our logout button, which kills the session. It will tell you you have been logged out. Please resume your sessions by browsing our products or login.
So here we switched over to our NetBeans and our files, and then right over here we have ports requirements for assignment 4. So just to go over this really quickly, we use sessions, for example, for our registration and for our invoice to store the data into. And then as we register, we validate all of our registration data to make sure that the user requirements are met, such as password being more than 5 characters. And then we take advantage of different arrays and different functions to read our registration data and to write it into our registration data file. And as you can see, this is just an example of one of our CSS files that we actually use. But we actually use a variety of different CSS files. And as you can see, that's the gist of it as we incorporate most of the requirements into our assignment. I'll leave it to Jinpin to explain how exactly we worked as a group.
So for this project, me and Brenda, we basically evenly spread out the work. And Brenda was mostly focusing on the CSS, and I was more focusing on the PHPs.